Welcome, today I'm showing you how to activate Hey Google option into a Samsung Galaxy M23. First of all, open your Google application. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose settings. Here go into voice and now tap voice match option. And now activate here switcher to turn on Hey Google option. Now need to give access to your assistant, click next and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use. Press continue and click not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.